Are you tired of spending 10 to 15 hours a week just staring at a blank screen while paying $299 a month for a Hootsuite that still leaves you guessing what you're going to post on social media for your business? You know you need consistent content to grow, but between running the business and real life, it just never happens. The result? Ghosted accounts, missing leads, and zero time for your family. That's how I feel. That's how I felt. And that's why I built the social media content rocket. Hey, my name is Ryan Fields-Spack. This is an amazing tool that you're going to absolutely love. This is your personal AI marketing agency in your pocket. In just 10 minutes, you can train it with a simple business brain snapshot, and it starts delivering scroll stopping captions, photorealistic images, and a full content calendar tailored for you, exactly for what your business needs. You can paste ideas or voice note in what you have or what's going on, and we'll give you 5 ready to post versions across all the platforms that you're actually using. You can never stare at a blank screen again because you're always going to have content to post. You post consistently without the overwhelm and actually get to reset with your kids and enjoy life. You can grow engagement and grow sales while you stay in your genius zone, which is running your business in particular. Click the link below, get your social media content rocket, train it once, post consistently, and finally get your time back